If you shoot headshots, even occasionally, I bet someone has asked you to deliver the files with each person's name in the file name. Simple, right? As a full-time headshot photographer here in Detroit, I can tell you it's a workflow that sounds pretty obvious when you think about it, but only recently has it become easily doable. It wasn't all that long ago when people would hold up their business cards or ID badges for that first shot. Reading and transcribing the business cards into a file name was a great way to spend an evening after the shoot. No, I had a client who thought they were really fancy and had a whiteboard. Each person was supposed to jot their name down and hold it up like a mugshot. Good luck reading the handwriting, even if it was your own. Let me know in the comments if you've tried either the business card or whiteboard method. Thanks to a new web-based app called HeadshotTools, file naming for headshots enters the 21st century. No business cards or whiteboards required. To get started, you can sign up using the link in the description below, or get your QR code scanner warmed up and scan this QR code. With HeadshotTools, you can either pre-populate a subject list, or your attendees can sign themselves up using a QR code. If your subjects can't handle a QR code, I don't know what to tell you other than find new subjects. The app then shows a tidy subject list. The app is designed to work seamlessly with Capture One and a tethered camera connection. Now, Capture One has an amazing amount of variables that you can use for file renaming. One of them uses the clipboard contents. If I'm starting to lose you, don't worry. The guys at HeadshotTools do a great job of walking through the specific setup. Check it out here. Once configured, just click on your next subject, make some amazing headshots, rinse and repeat all day long. As you pack up your gear, you'll know everything is organized and ready for retouching. While simple, this ability saves a lot of awkward questions back at the office. If the event you photographed was for a large organization, odds are the organizer doesn't know everybody. This makes for a painful step when it comes to uploading or distributing images. Even at a small office, maybe there's some people who haven't made the rounds yet. There's also an SEO benefit. When a headshot file has your name in it, that image will eventually show up when someone Googles you. Think of it a bit like reputation management. Better that you tell Google which image to show than letting it decide for you. To learn more about HeadshotTools and try it out, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.